alaga akong pusa, mga aso, mga bibe, mga tupa. Para sa tag-init nga guys, susubukan natin gumawa ng Coke float. Lang natin mga ito kasi ayaw matanggal eh.
Walang forever, maghihiwalay rin kayo. Uy, huwag kang gumaganon.
Dito pala mga tanga, may yelo pala dito. Hindi ko nakita. Opo talaga.
Milestone expectations for the area of Raj, the CEO, joining us. Welcome, sir.
Kaso tigas din yung.
Hey, great to be here. Okay, you on? So I want to dive right into this. You're providing the safest and longest lasting lithium battery tech. For new audiences, do you want to kind of give us a brief elevator
Oo, siguro yun guys.
what Electrovaya is doing? Yeah, so Electrovaya is a lithium.
At ayun na nga guys, ibalik na natin. Ang ingay ng TV, sumasabay, hayop.
We make a unique lithium.
Yeah, guys.
14 million in
Full
revenue.
followers.
That year, we were losing money.
Ano muna, Milo muna ba lalagay?
Eto, katawaan lang to guys. Gawa-gawa ko lang to dahil masyado na akong boring sa buhay ko, sa life ko.
Dapat nung kasalo pala.
2023, we did 44 million US in revenue. We've had 4 back-to-back quarters.
Ganda
of
talaga pag
positive
single.
EBITDA. We're on track to continue.
Ayun kasi mag-love life. Paano na yung mga tupa, mga bibe, mga aso, mga pusa? Sino na mag-aalaga sa kanila pag nawala ka na? May iwan na sila sa bukid lahat. Ano daw? Ano yun?
Talagyan na ito. May cook na.
Our battery
Ito.
technology
Haluin
in
mo.
these heavy-duty sectors. Most of our revenue today has
Hindi ka
been
nalungsong
in the
ito.
material handling space, which is continuing to grow.
Gago,
But
mali.
we're targeting other sectors.
Tama ba?
I expect to have
Pero
similar
nga-
success in those new verticals. Yeah, and you recently just mentioned there that you're kind of taking the helm here, and I wouldn't mind rolling back. You've actually been with the
Hindi
company.
ko alam guys kung tama ba ginagawa ko.
You know, recently becoming CEO.
Tingnan nyo kinalabasan guys. Bula na. Coke bula, hindi Coke float. Spider-Man siya pagod na.
At ayun na nga, kinarama siya bigla.
Yun lang guys, bye-bye!